ZANU-PF Politburo has rejected the co-option of his president Mnangagwa's top ally for Tycoon Kuda Kwashetagure into the Central Committee, with the Vice President Konstantino Chiwenga blocking a controversial donation of brand new vehicles from Tagure to Politburo members. Sanabena mashoko onekwa pangwa ine zvonzi aiwa Mukuru weZvigananda pangwa ine oondomoka noti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda muna mobudwanyi pamuchinzi. The dramatic sequence of events has left Mnangagwa politically exposed and internally isolated, with his own presidium openly defying him and the ruling party's top executive arm, the Politburo, rejecting him in principle. Sources inside the heated Politburo meeting confirmed that only 2 out of 49 Justice Ministers Yambi and Politburo stalwart Omega Ongwe supported the move to parachute Tagure into the Central Committee. The rest, led by VP Chiwenga, Secretary for Administration Obet Mpofu, Chris Muchangwa, Patrick Chinamasa, voted the proposal down. But the most telling sign of resistance came before the meeting, when Chiwenga reportedly intercepted and blocked a plan for Tagure to donate luxury vehicles to Politburo members, a gesture critics described as a blatant bribe intended to carry favor ahead of the vote. In quotes, the vehicle scheme was a red line, said a senior party figure. Chiwenga was clear. Party loyalty cannot be bought with cars, and Tagure cannot buy a seat at a table, said one source speaking on condition of anonymity. Even Mnyaradzi Machacha, often seen as Tagure's political handler, remained conspicuously silent throughout the session, signaling that even those previously aligned with the controversial businessmen were unwilling to defend the move. With the Politburo and the key members of Presidium clearly breaking ranks, the path to a 2030 candidacy for Mnangagwa appears blocked, not by the opposition, but by his own party machinery. The message from ZANU-PF is now unmistakably clear. The era of Mnangagwa may be coming to an end. Ndomashikwa nobuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa ndo sofa zviri kuitika mubato the ruling party. Imbonidza mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, musakanganwa kusubscribe, kulike, pamwe chete noturn on the bell icon.